If you're looking at engineering colleges in the Kanyakumari area for this year's admissions, then let's dive into Bethlahem Institute of Engineering in Karangal. And make a note of this, the TNEA Code is 4992.
Right off the bat, here's something you really need to see. The college has a NAAC A-Grade. Now, for both students and parents, this is a big deal. It's a strong, independent stamp of approval on their academic quality. It's a really solid place to start your valuation.
So first up, let's get a feel for the college's core identity. The basic details that tell you who they are and what they're all about. All right, here's the quick profile. It's a self-financing college with a Christian minority status. They started back in 2008 and are affiliated with Anna University Chennai. When it comes to admissions, it's all through TNEA, with the seats split 65% for the government quota and 35% for the management quota. So who's behind the college? It's the Nisamoni Memorial Trust, and their mission is pretty clear. They want to provide academic and career opportunities, with a special focus on helping out youth from socially and economically weaker backgrounds. And this isn't their first venture into education. The trust actually started with a school way back in 2002. Then they added a college of education in 2006, and that's when they established this engineering college in 2008. They've even added an arts and science college since then, so you can see a clear pattern of steady growth and commitment to education. Okay, now for the part you've probably been waiting for, the actual engineering programs you can study here. So, how many seats are up for grabs? We're looking at a total of 490 undergraduate engineering seats for this academic year. And just as important, every single one of these seats has the green light from AICTE, which is the main body for technical education in India. The college offers a really good mix of 8 different branches. You've got your foundational streams like civil and mechanical, plus the ever-popular computer science. But what's really interesting is that they also offer 2 very modern specializations, one in CSE focusing on AI and machine learning, and another in biomedical engineering. All right, so you know the courses, but who's going to be teaching them? Let's take a look at the faculty and the college's academic connections. Now, this number is important. The college has 13 faculty members who've earned a PhD. Why does that matter? Well, it means you're learning from people with deep expertise, which is a huge plus for both teaching and research. And here's another fantastic credential. The college is an official remote center for IIT Bombay. So what does this mean for you as a student? It means you and your professors get direct access to workshops and training from one of the best institutions in the country. That's a huge advantage. Okay, enough about academics for a moment. Let's shift gears and talk about what day-to-day life is like on campus. For students who will be staying on campus, and I know parents are always keen to know this, the college provides separate, permanent hostels for both boys and girls. The whole campus is about 12 acres, and the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Getting to and from campus seems pretty straightforward. The college buses cover both the Kanyakumari and Thiruvananthapuram districts. If you're traveling by train, the nearest station is Kuzhithurai. And for your studies, the library gives you access to online journals through Delnet, which is a major network. And yes, the entire campus has Wi-Fi. All right, let's talk about 2 things that are absolutely critical for every family: job placements and financial support. The good news is the college helps students apply for a whole range of government scholarships. As you can see from this list, there are schemes available for different communities, for minority students, special scholarships for girls, and even support for children of workers from specific sectors. And now for the big number everyone wants to know, placements. According to the data the college submitted for TNEA 2025, their placement rate is 81%. This single figure gives you a really clear, high-level idea of the career outcomes you can expect. Just so you know, all the facts and figures we've talked about today have been gathered from the college's own website and official government portals. Everything is based on the information that was available when we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.